Hi, this is Linda. This is a tour of the basement that's been cleared out at 66.5 Street in Fridley, but really I want to show you the new garage. So there's going to be a door here going into the actually it's going to be going outside. And there's also an empty garage here that could be used as a workshop. It does have a garage door opener, so that you could insulate and close it off permanently and make it a workshop. This is the new door framed out from the new garage right here. And this is just a walkway to the backyard, which is underneath a deck. So the new garage is really large with the 2-car opening, and then it's under construction. The roof trusses and all have been put on. And then there's definitely like a third stall on the other side of this garage. It just doesn't have a door to it, but you could drive something in there and leave it there most of the winter. The roof line for this garage is putting most of the water away from the house. The gables are coming this direction and then the other direction. There's a little bit of gable at this area where it meets this walkway and the deck. So they're probably going to put there's a small amount there. They'll do something there to move the water out to the end of the house. This will all be finished off deck where there's a hole there going into that kitchen door. And when you park in the garage, you can walk directly into the house in the basement and be all set. This garage will get finished before closing. Getting it wrapped up here. That's about it. Thanks. 2 minutes.